My name's Chris Levesque. I'm the owner of Whiskey Trail Pub and Grill. We cook a ton of chicken wings. We don't have an oven. A lot of people prep their chicken wings in an oven. We prep all our chicken wings in the fryer. So we go through a lot of oil and we abuse the oil extremely bad. And the other oil that we were using previously would just get burnt quick and it would taste burnt. I used another oil of the same blend basically, and that one went away. We had to switch to something else, which wasn't a terrible tasting oil, but it just didn't last. We weren't getting the life out of it that we needed to. We were spending a lot more money on oil. And then my Cisco rep introduced us to the Mel Fry, and it was the same blend as the cottonseed canola blend that we used to get. And we got it in here and it really acted a lot like that other oil. We're getting a lot more life out of it. A lot of times you can tell how old the oil is or how burnt the oil is by the bubbles. Even when it's burnt, it doesn't transfer as much to the food. You may be able to smell the oil, have a burnt taste or burnt smell to it, but when you put the food and pull the food out, the food doesn't pick up that burn taste, which is nice because that gives you an indication of, okay, we need to change this oil, but at least the customer's not getting a bad product. If I'm saving 3 to 4 jugs a week, you know, at $50, $60, $70 a jug, that's quite a bit of money, you know, $150 to $200 a week, which over a course of a year, that adds up a lot.